Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I will show you how to change your Roblox location. First, open your web browser and log into your Roblox account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Account Info section, scroll down until you find Account Location. Here's the important part. You can only change your account location once. If you click on it and see a list of countries, you're good to go. Choose the country you want to switch to. However, if you have already changed your location and need to switch it again, you can't do it directly through the settings anymore. Here's what you need to do. Open a new tab and search for roblox.com. Fill out the contact form, including your username, email address, and device. In the Issue Details section, select How to and then How to change my location and the subcategory. In the description box, explain that you accidentally changed your location and need to switch it back to original location. Once you have completed the form, submit it, and Roblox support will assist you with changing your account location. That's how you can change your Roblox account location with a heads up about the one-time limit. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing to the channel.